Hello dear children of class 5 and welcome to yet another online class of general knowledge. I hope you all are safe and sound in your homes and you are doing everything you can and following every precautionary measure to protect yourself from the COVID-19 virus. I also hope that you are well engaged with your online studies and you are reading everything that is being provided by the teachers. Children, in our last lesson we learned about national flag. I hope you have learned that chapter well via video and you have completed all the exercises given. Today we will be starting a new chapter from your book, Most Beautiful Fishes. Now children, fishes, as you know, are marine creatures. Marine creature means aquatic. They live in water, right? Some fishes are found in rivers, some are found in seas, some are found in ocean. Now most of the fishes, as we know, are edible or eatable, right? Because fishes are highly nutritious. The fishes which are edible or eatable are highly nutritious. Fishes are a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids and many different kinds of minerals. All these nutrients are very essential or very important for the growth and development of our body. But children, all the fishes are not just for eating purposes only. Most of the fishes are kept in aquarium. You know the aquarium, the box like glass structure in which fishes are kept in home. Most of you have it in home, and I am sure most of you, those who even don't have it, you have seen it. So dear children, fish in aquarium, fishes of beautiful design, pattern and color are kept, and these kind of fishes add to the beauty of our homes. Now children, today we will be reading about some of such fishes. Now as far as your book goes, in the book the clues to different fishes are given. I'll read those clues to you, I will explain those clues to you, and then I'll write the answer on the marker board, and also I'll teach you how to pronounce and spell those fishes out. So let's begin. Let's look at the very first clue here. It can survive outside water for several hours if it remains moist. It makes a bubble nest on the surface of the water to protect its eggs and newly hatched babies. Now dear children, this fish is an exception, because as you know, most of the fishes cannot survive outside water. But this fish, if it remains moist, wet, covered with water, right, then it can survive outside water for several hours. Also, in order to protect its newly hatched babies, the babies which have come out of egg just now, or the eggs which have not hatched yet, this fish makes a bubble nest on the surface. Now let's see what the answer is. Okay, so the answer is betta fish. B-E-T-T-A, betta, F-I-S-H, fish, betta fish. Now let's go through the second clue. It is a small size, bright colored fish with bulging eyes. Bulging eyes is its eyes are almost out of the skull structure. This helps it to hunt for food underwater and eat in the dim light environment of the sea. Now children, in the deep sea waters, okay, deep sea waters, sunlight cannot reach there. So what happens? The environment underwater at great depths is pretty dark. This kind of eye structure, the bulging eye structure, helps this particular fish to hunt for food and eat in the dim light environment. Now let's see what is the name of this fish. This particular fish is called mandarin fish. Mandarin fish. M-A-N-D-A-R-I-N. Mandarin, F-I-S-H, fish, mandarin fish. Now let's look at the third clue. It is social in nature. This fish is always found in group. You'll never find this fish alone and prefers to stay in group, like I told you. It gets its name from the Moors of Africa who believed that fish brings happiness. There is this particular water place in Africa called the Moors, and there it is believed that this fish is a symbol for happiness. This fish brings happiness. So let's see what this fish is. Obviously, as its name comes from the Moors, so it is called Moorish fish. What it is called? Moorish fish. Moorish, Moorish, FISH, fish, Moorish fish. Let's look at the fourth one. This fish lives in the tentacles of sea anemone. It is the only fish that can survive the deadly sting of sea anemone. Children, in deep sea waters, many species of fishes, they are known to live together and are mutually beneficial for each other. This kind of relationship is called symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship. Now in this particular case, this particular fish lives with sea anemone. Sea anemone is a plant-like sea creature also known as sea rose. But don't get any idea that it is very beautiful and it is for decorative purpose. This particular sea anemone, the sea creature, has deadly poisonous tentacles. With tentacles, it has sting and it can give a very nasty bite. But this particular fish is the only fish that can survive the deadly sting of the sea anemone. So let's look at what this fish is. It's clownfish. CLOWN. Clown. FISH. Fish. Clownfish. CLOWN. Clown. FISH. Fish. Clownfish. Now as you know, clown word is also synonymous to joker. Now let's look at our fifth clue here. It is small sized and golden, blue or pink colored fish. It is small in size and it is found either in golden color, blue color or pink color. All these fishes are female when born. Wow. These fishes, all when they are born, they are female. But as they grow up, they change to males. This is yet another miracle of nature, my dear children. These fishes, as the clue says, when they are born, they are all born females, girls. But as they grow up, they change to males. And this particular fish is lyre tail anthias. Lyre tail anthias. LYRETAIL. Lyre tail ANTHIAS. Anthias. Lyre tail anthias. But children, this fish, I know this name can be pretty mouthful, pretty difficult to pronounce. So this fish has a local call out name also, and that local call out name is sea goldie. What is the name? Sea goldie. Okay, it's the local call out name for lyre-tail anthias. Let's pronounce and spell it once again. LYRETAIL, lyre-tail, ANTHIAS, anthias, lyre-tail anthias. And the local call out name is sea goldie. SEACGOLDIE, goldie. Sea goldie. Now let's look at clue number 6. it can change its gender many times throughout its life. Means it can change from male to female, then from female to male, then again from male to female many times. It makes a transparent covering of mucus. Okay, mucus is a slimy substance found in our throat and nose. It protects the lungs by trapping the infection. Okay, and this particular fish also can cover itself in its own mucus. I know, sounds very gross, but for this fish it's very important. Why? Which helps to protect it from predators, from the hunters. This fish is hunted by fairly every big fish. Okay, so in order to protect itself, it covers itself with mucus. Now, as you know, mucus is slimy and slippery, so obviously when the predator fishes try to hunt it, try to catch it, it simply slips away thanks to the mucus covering. So this particular fish is called parrotfish. Parrotfish. Let's spell it out. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. F-I-S-H. Fish. Parrotfish. Now let's look at the seventh clue. It has venomous spines. Spines meaning thorns that are used for defense. Okay, it camouflages to capture its prey, mainly fish and shrimp. To camouflage means to hide itself by merging with the surroundings. It changes itself according to its surrounding, okay, color wise, and it hides with the surrounding so that its prey, which are mainly smaller fishes and shrimp, they are not able to see it. They go near it and then it catches and eats them. And as far as the spines on its body goes, it is purely for defense purposes. They are venomous, but they are purely for defense purposes. So let's see, what is this fish? Okay, great name. Lionfish. Lion fish. Okay, L-I-O-N, lion, F-I-S-H, fish, lionfish. And now we move on to the last clue given here. Let's see. It is an endangered nocturnal fish. First of all, let me explain to you the word nocturnal. Nocturnal is the word used for any creature which is active during the night time. Okay, you know, many fishes and animals, they are active during the night time only. They come out and hunt during night time, and during daytime they rest. Such fishes or animals are called nocturnal. This fish is also nocturnal, and also it is endangered. Endangered means it is on the verge of extinction very soon. If human activities in particular are not checked, this fish will disappear altogether. They will be totally finished. Found in shallow marine water. Its body is shiny, silvery, and distinctively, means very clearly marked with 3 vertical black bars. Now see, it has a very shiny body, silver colored body, and on its silver colored body there are very clear 3 vertical marks or bars, and these are black in color. All right, and this last one is Banggai Cardinalfish. Banggai Cardinalfish. Okay, so let's spell it out. B-A-N-G-G-A-I, Banggai. C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L, Cardinal. F-I-S-H, fish. Banggai Cardinal fish. So once again, I would like to read out all the answers to you as we have solved them. Number 1, betta fish. Number 2, mandarin fish. Number 3, Moorish fish. Number 4, clownfish. Number 5, lyre-tail anthias. And the local call-out name is sea goldie. Number 6, parrotfish. Number 7, lionfish. And number 8, Banggai Cardinalfish. Alright children. Now children, with this I come to the end of the exercises in chapter 2. Alright. As far as your homework goes, your homeworks are as follows. First thing, you see in your book there is quiz time. Right? There is quiz time. You will solve this quiz time in your GK notebook. Also, you will draw all these fishes. Okay? You will draw all these fishes to the best of your ability. You will write the clues and write their answer. And in order to help you, along with this video, I will also be providing you the photo clip of the board as well as the photo clip of the chapter. I hope you will solve it thoroughly and learn it also. Also, an activity sheet related to the chapter will be provided to you soon, which you will have to solve in your GK notebook. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.